Hi, my name is Emma, and today I'll be showing you how to make an appointment with learning services on our scheduling platform, Navigate. So you may have used Navigate in the past to make an appointment with a student success coach or your academic advisor, and basically we just use the same platform, but I'll be walking you through the different steps on how to actually make an appointment with us specifically. So you're going to start on our homepage, which is learningservices.gmu.edu, and you're going to click on this big green button right here that says Make an Appointment. So once you click on that, it should take you to, sometimes it'll take you to the screen. And what you're going to do if you get to the screen is you're just going to click on this button right here that says Navigate, and it'll take you to the login screen. Sometimes it'll take you directly to the login screen. So I'm just going to log in off camera really quick, and then I will check back in right after. Great. So once you've logged in, you should see this page. This is the appointments dashboard page. If you click the button on the Learning Services website, it should take you to this page directly. So what we're going to do next is we're going to click this schedule an appointment button right here. Depending on what page Navigate will take you to, sometimes it'll be the calendar and it'll say get assistance. Either way, it'll be still a blue button on the top right of your screen. So we're just going to click this right here. So once we click that, we'll be taken to the new appointment page. And so once we're here, we'll see a couple drop-down menus. And we're going to start at the top with what type of appointment would you like to schedule. So here you're going to click Tutoring, Testing, and Learning Services. And then under the service, select whichever service you would like. So academic coaching refers to peer academic coaching that we provide. Academic coaching with a learning specialist is also provided, and we also do the academic success certificate. So let's just say we want to make a peer academic coaching appointment. So we'll click this right here. And then we're going to go down to the drop down. So I generally like to pick today's date. Even if I don't have any availability today, I still like to see what's available, like what the nearest available appointment is. So now that that's selected, I'm just going to go find available time. Great, so we'll be landing on this page where you can see all of the upcoming available times, and it shows you pretty far in advance. Like if I scroll all the way down, it shows me all the way to the end of the semester, which is great. So let's come back to the top. If you don't mind which coach you meet with, you can just click whatever time works for you in your schedule. However, let's say you want to meet with a specific coach, then you're going to click up here on the 10 people little button right here, and you can scroll through and see all of the different coaches that we have. This also includes graduate assistants, but yeah, so all of these coaches will be able to help with any questions or topics you may have, but some coaches have specific specialties, I guess. So for example, Anthony is a mathematics major, and so he's super great at helping people with memorization strategies and just studying math in general. So let's say we want help with math memorization strategies or just how to study for a math quiz or test or whatever. So we're going to click on his name right here, and it'll show us all of his available appointments. And so let's say that Friday, April 19th at 1 p.m. works perfectly for my schedule. I'm going to click on that. Now we're on this page. It'll show us all of the information up at the top. The service is academic coaching. This is the time. This is the date, etc. It'll say, here's the location. If we want to have this on Zoom, it shows us the Zoom link right here. And then right here, you're going to click, do I want to meet in person or on campus, or do I want to meet virtually? Either works, just select whatever works best for you and your schedule. Then in this little box right here, you can type up anything that you specifically would like to request. So like, hey, I'm really struggling with math memorization strategies. You can just type that up right here. And you can also select email reminder and text message reminder, and it will tell you like the day before, I believe, your appointment. It'll send you a reminder email just so you don't forget. And then you're going to click this blue schedule button, and that's about it.